And now, yeah, man, we just came back from the court, as my brother just said. And yeah, man, we came back with a W, with a win.
Of course, man. It's W this time.
This is a game changer for
Blaq Diamond are two singers who make Afropop music. They have songs like Summer Yomuthi, Qoma, and Love Letter. They joined Ambitiouz Entertainment in 2017 and stayed until 2020. But then
you guys still with Ambitiouz? What's going on?
Nah. We fully indie right now.
No way.
Damn, you left too?
Yeah, long time. It's been like
December.
Since last year.
No way.
Yeah, we've been independent the entire
since
first
December,
half of the year, I think.
Yeah. Why did you guys leave?
I mean, it was time.
I think
We've
it was
grown
time
now.
more than anything. I also feel cooler now, so that's why we just wanted growth more than anything, you know, because us wanted to go to tap to the African market. So it's like now it's us to tap to the African market. So when we feel like if we tap to the African markets, we're gonna lose our people here locally. Yeah, so we're like, I think vision is fun. But it's more than anything. I was nice working with them, but now we just wanna go shoot to the other side.
After they left, Ambitiouz Entertainment tried to take their song and money. They even tried to delete their YouTube channel and stop their song from playing online. But Blaq Diamond did not give up. They went to court and fought against Ambitiouz. And they won 3 times. The last time was Friday, when the judge said no to Ambitiouz' appeal and made them pay for the costs. Blaq Diamond lawyer shared the news on X and thanked their advocate. The lawyer also said that the next thing is to cancel Blaq Diamond's contract with Ambitiouz Entertainment because they are unfair. This is a big win for our Blaq Diamond and their fans, who have been with them all the time. They have shown that they are brave and strong. They have also shown that they are good and independent artists who can do well by themselves. But the question is, how did they win? Firstly, let me explain the most important law terms which will be used in this. An interdict is a court order that can stop someone from doing something or make them do something. It is a way of protecting or enforcing rights. There are 2 types of interdicts, prohibitory and mandatory. A prohibitory interdict stops someone from doing something that harms or interferes with someone's rights. A mandatory interdict makes someone to do something that they are obliged to do by a law or by contract. A contractual dispute is a disagreement or a conflict between parties who have a contract, where a contract is a legal agreement that creates rights and obligations for 2 parties. A contractual dispute can arise when one party does not perform their obligations, perform them poorly, or breaches the terms of the contract. Okay, enough with the law terms. Let's jump and swing. Blaq Diamond has a contractual dispute with their former record label Ambitiouz Entertainment. They signed a contract with Ambitiouz in 2017 and renewed it in 2020, but they left the company in January last year. They claimed that the contract was unfair and exploitative, and that Ambitiouz Entertainment did not pay them their royalties or respect their artistic freedom. Ambitiouz Entertainment did not accept Blaq Diamond's departure and tried to take their songs and money. They said that Blaq Diamond still owned them the money and that they had the right to their songs. Blaq Diamond took Ambitiouz Entertainment to court and looked for an interdict to stop them from interfering with their rights. They also wanted to cancel their contract with Ambitiouz Entertainment and get their royalties and songs back. To get an interdict, Blaq Diamond had to prove 4 things. They had a clear right to their songs and royalties, which existed in law and fact. They had an actual or reasonable fear of injury, which meant that Ambitiouz was harming and threatening to harm their rights. They had no other satisfactory remedy, which meant that they could not solve their problem in any other way. The balance of convenience, which meant that the benefits of granting the interdict outweighed the cost or harms. Blaq Diamond managed to prove those 4 things in court. Thanks to Blaq Diamond lawyer Jada Nadio, they show evidence of their contract with Ambitiouz, their songs, their royalties, and Ambitiouz actions. They also showed that Ambitiouz contract was invalid and unconstitutional because it was unfair and exploitative. The court agreed with Blaq Diamond and granted them an interdict. The court ordered Ambitiouz Entertainment to stop interfering with Blaq Diamond's rights and to pay them their royalties and songs. The court also dismissed the Ambitiouz appeal and made them pay for the costs. This was a big win for Blaq Diamond and their fans who supported them throughout this ordeal. They showed that they were brave and strong artists who can stand up for their rights and their music. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys on the next one.